socialbounty.co payment proof. That's what we'll be taking a look at today. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably already know about this site and sites like it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog about making money online with different techniques, apps, websites, and such. So hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out as well. And also, please, in the comments below, list your questions, what countries everyone's from, so I know how to make, what videos to make about different places for different countries, different apps, I mean, for different countries and such. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you a bunch of really cool bonus apps and websites, 4 or 5 of them, and a place to promote your referral links for free. Really cool stuff. Anyways, let's just get right into this. Let's talk about this for a second here. Social Bounty is the #1 influencer network in the world, connecting you to advertisers. Get paid $5 to $20 for every friend you invite. Make $500 today, as they say. Okay, so you sign up, you get a $25 bonus just for registering. I can't talk today. $10 for every person you invite. Place your links all over social media, and like I said, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a really cool place you can post your links. $10, $50 for task completed, and you get paid out through Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, or mailed a check. There's some testimonials down here. There's some more information down here. So let's go to the payment proofs real quick here, and let's take a look at this. Okay, so February 20th, 2019. I want you to remember these dates here for a second because I'm going to show you something that's very, very interesting. And you can hardly see some of these dates. That looks like June 7th, 2019. And I can't barely read that one, but whatever. Doesn't really matter because you have those dates there. You go to our about page. They started their journey back in 2012. Yada, yada, yada. So on and so forth. Team members. Very interesting. Phone number. I'm going to call them in a second here too. I'll show you that. So let's get into this. So what's interesting about this is 2012. They said they've been around. The payment proofs have 2019 on their payment proofs. But if you go to whois.com and you put their web address in here, their website was registered December 28th, 2019. So, what is going on here? Is these people legit? Is this real? I don't know. Well, actually, I do know. But what do you think? Put it in the comments below. Is it scam? Legit? What are you guys thinking? I don't know. Very strange. Very strange indeed. Today is what? February 1st, 2020. So, a little over a month they've been around. Their website. Okay. Let's go to their terms and condition page. Maybe there's something in here we can find that's interesting. Oh, of course there is. If you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use Social Bounty sites and features nor our services. What? What? Well, I was on the homepage. I saw these testimonials. Ryan looks, 25. Kim looks maybe 30. This guy looks about 20 something. So, how'd they leave these testimonials? How'd they make money? Maybe I should call them, find out what happens. Alright, let's contact them. This is their contact page. That's a New Jersey area code. 555? Isn't it like a movie phone number? Were they using movies all the time? Let's call them.
Cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Announcement for Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Announcement for
Well, there you go. Phone number, non-existent. Let's check out this address in Google Maps, see what happens. So here's the address. Click on the map here. Maybe do a satellite view so you can see what's going on. Alright, so here's the street view. There's like a basketball court. Some building over here. A couple houses. Some more houses. Looks like a suburban type of area. I wonder what this place is. Can we get in here? Alright, well that's not even the same address. That's looks like 22 something. So this is 499 Pine Avenue. I don't know. That's maybe they have like a little back office here. I don't know. It just seems really shady to me. Nothing really going on here. Alright. So there's a lot of shadiness going on with this website. I would not trust this at all. So let's get into some really cool apps that you can actually start making some money with starting right today. I mean, you can download these apps, do a few things, and you got money right away. Alright, so the first one up here is Cash App. This is a very popular app, so you might already have it already. It's number 2 in finance on the iOS store. But if you don't have it, you'll get $5 when you sign up today using my referral link. I'm going to get $5 as well. You can get a debit card with this one as well, and you get discounts on your debit card when you use a debit card. You don't need to get the debit card. You could buy and sell Bitcoin. You could pay money between friends and such. So it's a pretty cool app. Really cool indeed. It has 4.6 out of 5. And like I said, download it, refer people. If you already own it, I got a place at the end of this video where you can place your referral links for free, and I'm going to show you that coming up. So next one up here is Dosh. This is iOS and Android. So is Cash App, by the way. All the apps I'm going to show you are for iOS and Android. So anyways, this one kind of works the same way. You refer people, you get money. Pretty cool. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10, sometimes it's $7. They keep changing it around on me, but either way, I'm getting money, so I'm happy. Basically, you connect your credit cards, your debit cards, whatever you shop with, and they have thousands of stores and restaurants that you get up to 10% cash back automatically to your Dosh wallet. Then you can transfer that money to your PayPal, donate to charities, Venmo as well. You can put it right into your Venmo account if you have Venmo, however you pronounce it. There's a bunch of stores down there right here that they're associated with. So really, really cool. They have really high rankings as well on the iOS store and such. But moving along, another one where you get cash back, and you can get $10 bonus today when you sign up with my referral link, and you're going to send me $25. You're not going to send me it. They're going to give me $25 for having you sign up with my link, and then you can do the same thing. Refer people, refer friends, and this one kind of works the same way as Dosh. There's an iOS app, there's an Android app, there's a Chrome web browser. They even have coupons and stuff. You find really good deals, up to 40% cash back at over 2,500 stores. No points, no fees, no forms, whatever. Set and forget, bam, you're good to go. Really cool app. They have a nice, 4.4 out of 5 here on the iOS store. And again, get $10 just for signing up with my referral link, and then refer your friends and get $25 when they sign up. So pretty cool and pretty cool. Next one up here is Pi. This is invite only. This is for mining cryptocurrencies on your phone. Pretty cool. You don't need to really do anything. You just install it, download it. It doesn't drain your battery or nothing. It doesn't do any of that stuff. You just get a notification every day, sign in, hit the mine button, and you're good to go. The more people you have in your mining network, the higher mining rate of Pi you will receive. So use my invite code Greg1 here when you sign up, and you'll be in my network, and we'll be helping each other out. Very cool. And then you can refer people as well. And let's see what they got here on the iOS store. They got 4.3 out of 5. Very, very, very nice. Pretty cool. Next one up here is Robinhood. This is for stocks. You're gonna get a free stock today. This is a free trading platform. You don't pay to buy stocks, you don't pay to sell stocks, and you get free stocks. And you have 1 in 150 chance of getting Facebook, Microsoft, or JP Morgan Chase. And as you can see, these are nicely priced at the moment. These will fluctuate, of course. And then you have a 1 in 100 chance of getting GE, Ford, Electric, Energy Transfer, or other ones. And then you can refer people and get more free stocks. Pretty cool. Again, I'm going to show you a place at the end of the video where you can promote people or promote your links and such and refer people. So really cool app. An iOS store here. It's number 12 in finance, over 10 million users strong. There is an Android app as well. 4.8 out of 5 ranking. Pretty nice. Next one up here is going to be United States only. You can get $10 off at delivery.com. Not $10 off, you get $10. And I'll get $10 when you use my link. You can share this with your friends as well, and then you get $10 and $10, $10 over and over again. And it's pretty cool. Basically, it's in the US only right now, so it's 100 cities. So chances are it's in your city. Check it out. Basically, they deliver food from restaurants, groceries, laundry, all kind of really cool stuff. Plus, the more you spend on their site, you get like points and stuff like that, and you get like free food every now and then. It's pretty cool. Anyways, so that one is another really cool one, and they have, what do they got here? 4.8 out of 5. Very nice. Android app as well. And you can order from the website. I usually order just from the website. So, where are you going to promote all these links once you sign up? Well, this is, well, YouTube is one place. Make videos about all these different places and stuff like that. Obviously, you're going to do Facebook and invite your friends and stuff like that. The next website here is going to be Kit. This is a website that I've been using about for maybe a month or two now. And I put all my apps here, my referral links, as well as on YouTube and other places. The ones I just mentioned are all here. There's a couple other ones as well. And you can just create kits, as they call them, and put your products in here. You get these things. You can even share these. You can add to the kits. And then you put your referral link down here. And you can put videos in here. You can put other people's videos on here. Like, for example, my referral code's right there for this one. Actually, if you click on this, it's going to say, you know, try Cash App using my code. We'll both get $5, blah, blah, blah. You know, you do your device, Android or iOS. So pretty cool. Again, this is just a really quick website. It's free. You don't need to spend any money on it. I have a bunch of other kits, if you will, on my profile here. Different stuff that I do, making money online, affiliate marketing, the Cash Apps as you just saw, and a bunch of other ones. So really cool. And you don't need to be 99 years old to use any of these things I just showed you. So that's pretty good too. This one, socialbounty.co, I would stay away from. So anyways, that is all for today. Please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you're going to want to check out. All kind of really cool techniques. Some are just little bits of money here and there. There's also, if you want to get started your own online business and make a full-time income, there's stuff for that as well. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.